Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. Today I want to talk to you about Inside Track Club and do you renew? My 2-year Inside Track Club membership recently expired and I had to make the decision, do I renew or not? In the first 2 years it was a no-brainer for me to sign up for Inside Track Club because I bought a couple of larger items. I bought a compressor. I bought a generator and I bought a drill. So those 3 items easily covered the cost of my Inside Track Club membership. But what do you do when it's time to renew? That's a very good question. Let's talk about it. There's a few things we got to go over here. First, what is Inside Track Club? Well, it's a buyer's club. Basically what it is you put some money up front, you join a membership, and then it gives you offers for sales and other things that I'm going to talk about here in a minute. What I'm going to do is go over my deciding factors on why I chose to or not to renew, and I'll let you hopefully make these decisions as you go so you can decide if it works for you. Because everybody's buying is different. So just because I might choose to or not to, you may not. So I don't think everybody necessarily should renew. I think it's a no-brainer to join Inside Track Club if you're making a large purchase at Harbor Freight. It pays for itself at that point. But is it worthwhile to renew? Let's talk about it. First and foremost, the renewal prices are for 1 year, $30, for 2 years, $45. So obviously the 2-year price is better. What do you get for joining Inside Track Club? Well, the $20 coupon that everybody used to love is kind of gone. We haven't seen that in a couple of years now. What they're doing is they have something called instant savings that they do every month, where they take about 150 items and they put them on sale each month. And that's great if you need one of those 150 items. But anybody has that option. For Inside Track Club people, they have a second group of 150 or so items that are called the Inside Track Club Buyer's Benefit or something. Basically what it means is another grouping of stuff that they're putting on sale only for Inside Track Club members. And basically all of these things are interchangeable. If it's on Instant Savings one month, it might be on Inside Track Club the next. They flip-flop around. They're very interchangeable. So it's great if what you need happens to be on one of those two, but if not, you're paying full price just like everybody else. So is that enough for me to renew? No, it's not. So what else do you get with Inside Track Club? Well, they do a lot of monthly sales around holidays, and they do a bunch of different things. And some of these sales have different benefits to them. One thing that a lot of them do is they provide early access to Inside Track Club members. Now, what does this mean? Well, the sale starts, say, on Friday for everybody. It's Friday, Saturday, Sunday. They may start the sale on Wednesday for Inside Track Club members. Is that a big deal? Well, it could be, because usually in the bottom in the small print it says while supplies last. And what that means is some of these items may be in short supply, and the Inside Track Club people could get in on Wednesday and Thursday and buy them out of stock before the general public comes in on Friday to make those purchases. So you literally could be out of luck if you're not an Inside Track Club member. Now, some of us work during the week and we can't get there on Wednesday and Thursday. I'm one of those guys. So this sale, I don't put much weight to, but you may, if you're living 5 minutes from a Harbor Freight, or you're retired and you can get there on a Wednesday afternoon, then you might put a little bit more weight to that particular part of Inside Track. I'm not putting much weight to it, so for my decision, I'm still at not renewing. The next thing they do is they have several different sales that they run throughout the year, on the holidays, whatever. And there's different themes to them. Parking lot sale. They have coupon sales. One of the coupon sales that I'm thinking about is it's a coupon sale where they have genres of tools that they put up for different sale prices. Let's say they have 8 different coupons. One of the coupons might be Pittsburgh tools. One of them might be Quinn tools. One of them might be generators. One of them might be automotive jacks. And the Quinn tools might be 15% off. The automotive jacks might be 20% off. So those coupons give you those percentages off for that genre of tools. So if you want to buy something from Pittsburgh, and what did I say, 10% for that? You go in and you get 10% off. That's open to anybody. But in the bottom corner of all of those coupons, it will say Inside Track Club, and it's usually 5 or 10% more. Usually 5, but some of them might be 10% more. That might be a really good thing if you're looking to buy, say, a Predator generator at $800, because another 5% off saves you $40, which is darn near the 2-year renewal price right there. So if you're looking to make a big ticket purchase, then I would say it's almost worthwhile to renew. I'm not making a big ticket purchase, so for me, looking at this sale combined with the other sales that may work for me if it happens to be on sale the month I'm looking. Again, with these sales, you got to get lucky, and it's got to be, the coupon has to be that genre you're looking for. So if you're a person who can wait for a tool, then I would say definitely renew, because you can make a list, wait for your tool to hit one of these coupon sales, and then go buy it, save the entry fee to Inside Track Club, and you'll be good to go. You'll definitely earn your money back plus. But if you're not making a big ticket item, my thinking, doing my math, is at this point I would probably break even. For me, a break even doesn't mean a renewal, because I'd rather just spend the difference in the money over the course of the 2 years than just putting it up front and hoping I get it back. So I'm still at not renewing. But there is one other sale that they do often that, if you follow my channel, it's my favorite sale at Harbor Freight. That is the 30% off items $10 or less. Now that sale is open to everybody that walks in the store. But Inside Track Club members, they get 30% off items $20 and less. And this sale usually runs Friday, Saturday, and Sunday throughout a weekend, and you can buy 5 items each day you go in the store. So you can go Friday, Saturday, and Sunday and buy 15 items from $20 or under, whereas the regular general public can only buy $10 and under. Now, I went back to my emails and looked at my receipts for last year. Harbor Freight emails me my receipts, and my email account, I never delete the stuff in my deleted folder. So I had all my receipts, and I went and looked, and I visited Harbor Freight 5 times last year during that 30% off $10 and less sale. So 5 different days. It wasn't 5 weekends they did it. I think twice I went on a Saturday and a Sunday. So twice during that sale I went 2 days, and then once. During that time, I made 23 purchases out of the 25 I could have done with the 5 purchase limit. 9 of those items were between $10 and $20. I buy a lot of things in the $10 to $20 range. I also buy a lot of supplies. That's why I like the 30% off sale. Tapes, glues, things like that. I make a list, and when that sale kicks, I go get those things. So this is a good sale for me. Those 9 items added up to $134.01. I went in the receipts and I did the math. 30% of that is $40.20. So last year, I saved $40.20 on that sale alone. And remember, I had a 2-year membership. I'm assuming I saved the same amount the year before. So on that sale alone, in a 2-year renewal, I'm going to save around $80. For me, that's what puts me over the top. I now have renewed, and I will continue to renew as long as that sale is in existence. Now, that is a sale that works for me. I make a lot of purchases in that $10 to $20 range, and that works for me. You may not. So you have to look at your purchases. How many times do you buy things at Harbor Freight in that price point? For me, that's the sale that makes Inside Track Club worth it. Your shopping might be totally different. If you're buying a generator, that's a good reason to join or to renew as well. So, in a nutshell, my shopping habits tell me go ahead and renew. So I did. Your shopping habits may tell you not to renew. Only you can really tell. If you have questions on that and you want to ask me about it, go ahead and put a comment below. I'll kind of help you with it, let you know if I think it's worthwhile to renew or not. I did. I think it was worth it for me. I hope that helped you. I hope it made sense. If it did, please hit the like button. And as always, if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one. Thanks a lot.